Manisha. I'm studying 9th standard. I'm from Karaikuri. I'm studying Ramnath Chinyan Municipal High School. My favorite color is black.
Okay, black and Manisha, well done.
Hi, my name is Delight Deepika. I am studying standard in Ramnath Chinyan High School in Karaikuri. My favorite color is red.
Okay, but you are wearing green and white.
Hi, my name is Popular Veely Kumaran. I am studying 6th.
Popular Veely Kumaran. Popular man.
I am studying in 6th standard in Sri Radharajan CBSE School. I am from Managiri. My favorite color is orange.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
11 years old. Which is your native place?
From Managiri.
Huh? Your native place is Managiri. Okay, nice to meet you all. Okay, thank you. Thank you.